All right, the drink we are about to make is a Black Martini #1. And we'll start off putting some ice in a glass here. And if you'd like, you can chill your martini glass too. You just want to put some ice and some water in there, and let that sit while you're making your drink, and that'll make the glass nice and cold. What we're going to do is take gin, and we're going to do 2 shots of gin. There's 1, 2, and follow that up with 1 shot of Black Sambuca. And that's going to give us that nice black color. And this Black Sambuca is going to have a nice licorice smell and taste to it. And we don't want to shake this up too much. Actually shake it kind of gently. You can even just go back and forth if you want, or just give it a gentle shake. There we go. And set up our martini glass. And this might be a good martini to enjoy right around Halloween. If you want a spooky little martini, that's what you got right here. Black Martini #1. Bottoms up.